My name is Gina.
My name is Yang Gao.
My name is Satar.
My name is Mina.
My name is Jung He. My name is Yulisa.
My name is Pong Yu.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video again. So today's video, as always, we're gonna talk in English again. And today's video, I'm going to interview some students in Longxan Secondary School. And this is a very small center here teaching English. We call it Kham La Center. And I hope that this center is going to be growing very fast and effectively about teaching English in the future. Don't waste your time. Here we go. Okay, so this is the first girl that I'm going to interview her. So here we ask her some questions. Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Mina.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Okay, so why do you study English?
English is international language.
Okay, so how long have you been learning English?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Okay, thank you very much. Excuse me, boy, what is your name?
My name is Satar.
Satalo. And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Wow, you're 11 years old. You're pretty young, but you can speak English very good. And so, why do you study English?
Because English is very important.
English is very important. And how long have you been learning English?
About 5 years.
5 years. And do you like it very much?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what year of secondary school do you study?
Level 2.
Okay, level 2. And thank you very much for your times. Okay, thank you very much. Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Pong Yu.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay, wow, you're very young, but you speak English very good. Okay, so why do you study English?
Because English is international language.
Yeah, that's a very good idea. And how long have you been learning English?
About 3 years.
3 years. Okay, so what year of secondary school do you study?
Year 2.
Year 2. Wow, you're very young, but your English is very good. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Yang Gao.
Yeah, nice to meet you. And how old are you?
Okay, I'm 18 years old.
18 years old. Yeah, you are very young, but I can see that your English is pretty good. So, how long have you been learning English?
For me, I study English for 2 years ago.
2 years. And why do you study English?
I study English by myself. English is very important, and English is the national English of our world, of the world. So I will study about that only.
Yeah, that's a very good idea. And what year of secondary school do you study?
I study at grade 6+2.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time.
Yes.
And thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Jung He.
Jongher. Okay, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Yeah, you're very young. And so, how long have you been learning English? Do you like English very much?
I have been studying it for 4 years, and English is my favorite subject.
Yeah, okay. So, why do you study English?
Because I think that English can help my life and can make my future good.
Yeah, that is the truth of learning English. So, what year of secondary school do you study?
Year 5.
Year 5?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, thank you very much for your time.
Yes, thank you.
This is the next guy. He is very handsome. Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Yulisa.
Yulisa, so nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years old. Oh, yeah. I want to know that why do you study English?
Because English is very good, very important. English is the international language in the world because if you are good English you can find new work from abroad. You can work in the company. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, that is the truth of learning English. So, how long have you been learning English?
About 4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty long. And what year of secondary school do you study now?
M6.
M6.
Yes.
And I can see that your English is very good. So I want to know the tip that you use for learning English. How do you study English?
I'm studying English by myself. Study English from the internet. I'm from study English with my friends every time.
Yeah, you talk with your friends every time, right?
Yes.
And so, do you think that learning English can help you to get a good salary, to get a better job in the future?
I think it's very important for me because if you learn English right now, you can when you finding the job is easy for you.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Very important for many people right now.
Yeah, okay, you're right. And so, thank you very much for your time.
Yes, thank you.